Dear students of 11th standard, very pleasant morning. Once again, welcome back to the zoology class. This is a continuation of chapter number 2, that is Kingdom Animalia. Under Kingdom Animalia, today we are going to learn about another group of animals which come under the phylum Chordata. What is the meaning of the word Chordata? The word Chordata originated from a Greek word called chorda, which means string. Now let us see the characteristic features of the phylum Chordata. Chordata is the largest phylum with most familiar group of animals such as fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. And it contains less known animals such as lancelets, which is known as amphiaxis, and tunicates, that is known as ascidian. All these animals, that is all these chordates, possess three fundamental distinct features at some stage of their life cycle. Let us see what are they. They are presence of notochord, presence of a dorsal tubular nerve cord, and presence of pharyngeal gill slits. Now let us see these characteristic features one by one in detail. The first characteristic feature is the presence of notochord. Where is the notochord? Here you can see that yellow color rod shaped structure. This is a notochord. Where is it found? It is present between the nerve cord and the alimentary canal. Where is the nerve cord? This is a blue color is the nerve cord, that is the nerve. This is the alimentary canal, okay, digestive system. So, notochord is a rod-shaped structure, a flexible structure found above the alimentary canal and below the nerve cord. Got it? It serves as a primitive internal skeleton in chordate animals. It may persist throughout life in lancelets and lampreys. In adult vertebrates, it may be partially or completely replaced by backbone or vertebral column. Now, the important characteristic feature is the presence of dorsal tubular nerve cord. Where is the dorsal tubular nerve cord? Here you can see that the blue color line, that is the dorsal tubular nerve cord. Where is it found? It is found below the dorsal side of the body wall. This is the body wall. Below the body wall and above the notochord. This is a notochord. So, the presence of dorsal hollow tubular fluid filled nerve cord is the next characteristic feature which is found below the body wall and above the alimentary canal. It serves to integrate and coordinate the body functions. In higher chordates, the anterior end of the nerve cord gets enlarged to form the brain. Here you can see the anterior part of the nerve cord enlarges and forms the brain, and the posterior part becomes the spinal cord. And this spinal cord is protected by the vertebral column in all the other higher chordates. Which are the higher chordates? Fishes, amphibians, reptilians, aves and mammals. The next fundamental characteristic feature of chordata is presence of pharyngeal gill slits. Where is the pharyngeal gill slits? See, here you can see this is the pharyngeal gill slits. Okay, organ for respiration. So the presence of pharyngeal gill slits or gill clubs in all chordates at some stage of the life cycle. It is a series of gill slits or gill clubs. You can see here. Okay, it's a series of gill slits or gill clubs that perforates the walls of pharynx. What is the pharynx? This is the pharyngeal region. So perforate means the holes. Okay, so pharynx and appears during the development of every chordate. In aquatic forms, pharyngeal gill slits are vascular, lamellar and form the gills for respiration. Here you can see the gills. In terrestrial chordates, traces of non-functional gill clubs appear during embryonic developmental stages and disappear later. Here you can see the traces of gill slits. Okay, it will disappear later. During the embryonic time only you can see. Got it? Besides the above said features, that is presence of notochord, presence of tubular nerve cord and pharyngeal gill slits, chordates are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomates with organ system level of organization. They possess post-anal tail, that is nothing but tail, and closed circulatory system with a ventral myogenic heart except amphioxus. We already know that amphioxus contains heart in the dorsal side. Other animals are having ventral side. The heart is ventrally located for all other chordates. Got it? Now let us see the comparison of chordates and non-chordates. See, chordates, what are the characteristic features? Presence of notochord. Okay, the central nerve cord is dorsal, hollow and single. Okay, the pharynx perforated by gill slits, heart is ventral and presence of post-anal tail. These are the characteristic features of chordates. What are the characteristic features of non-chordate? Notochord is absent. Okay, central nervous system is like ventral side, solid and double. Here it is dorsal, hollow and single. Here it is ventral, solid and double. Okay, gill slits are absent. Heart is dorsal side, okay, and post-anal tail is absent. Got it? So this is the comparison between chordates and non-chordates. Dear students, till now you learned one group of animals, that is called chordates. Thank you.